What's going on, guys? Stoke Racing Repair. It's been a minute. I think it's been about 25 days, 26 days since my last upload, and man, have I been busy. We've had so many issues with the race cars. I mean, it's just life has gotten in the way. I haven't had time to edit, and all the stuff I've got video on, I mean, it just ain't very good. But I'm gonna get it edited. But I thought I should get a video up for you guys real quick here. Just kind of give you an update on all the cars, where they're at, and an update on the S10 here. Now, if you guys remember, I made a video a couple months ago, I'd say, on the S10. I'd planned to LS swap this thing, and I went against my word on that, and I said I wasn't going to. Well, guess what? I'm second guessing myself again, and now I'm gonna put the LS in it. You'll learn as these videos go along. I am so undecisive on things. I don't know what I'm talking about, and I just talk, but I don't do. But this time, I'm really going to LS swap it. I'm not going against my word on it. I got the LS dialed in on the engine stand. We're putting it in it. I don't know when yet, probably this winter, but that LS is going in that truck now. As you guys have seen, I got a carburetor set up on the LS now with an MSD 6014. And basically all I got to do, drop the engine in, carburetor and everything stays the exact same, top end stays the same. All I got to do is put the MSD box in it, exhaust, and a Holley. I'm probably going to do a red pump for now because it ain't really doing much but the street. Eventually, this thing's going to get some nitrous thrown in it probably. And then I'll upgrade the fuel system, but for right now, we're just gonna get a cruiser. So it ain't gonna take much work. The hardest part about this whole thing is probably just gonna be the exhaust, honestly, because I gotta make a new exhaust. But I got some cool plans for that. Might do an X-pipe. But she's gonna sound good with the Truck Norris cam, 5.3 LS in it, and can't wait for that. But it's enough for this truck. Let's hop to the street stock. All right, so the street stock, it's gone through a ton of changes. I don't have a video out on it yet, and unfortunately I don't have the best footage of it, so I'm trying to incorporate it into a video here soon. But I had hit the wall on this in this car. I was running 5th place, I think, which is pretty good for me. I ran the top side, and the car, I mean, it felt amazing on the top side, but there's a caution. The 2 leaders spun each other out. They sent them to the back. I got up into 5th. There's 2 laps to go. Last lap, I went too high in turn 2. Got in the loose stuff, and it sucked me right into the wall. You guys see, just road, or I guess kind of just like scratches all down the side of it. Completely wiped out the right front suspension on it. We had to change the shock, upper control arm, lower control arm. And I mean, it tore some stuff up. Well, we went out again the next weekend, and the car just felt really off. I couldn't figure out why. Well, I figured out that the upper bracket for these here, the upper control arms, was actually twisted and cracked from hitting the wall. I didn't think the back end hit the wall really that hard, but luckily the rear end's fine. It's just this bracket, just $100 from Speedway Motors, so not too bad, not too bad. Got that fixed up. But then we went out, I think the weekend after that as well, we got it fixed up, and the car was smoking out the exhaust pretty bad. Not terribly, but enough to where we pulled the motor out. And oh my God, it has been such a hectic time. We swapped the engine out of this car. We got it sitting over there. Took the motor out of the 40 street stock, put the 40 street stock's motor in this, and then had our backup motor, it's a little bit bigger, put in the 40 street stock. It was a mad dash. We got it done in a week. A lot of late nights, but we got it done. And then we took it out with this motor, and I just sucked. The car felt amazing. I'm just terrible at driving, and I'll get it eventually. I just need to work on my entry speed is my main thing, and then I hit the brakes too much. But we'll get it down. But overall, this car, she's ready to roll to a race, whatever. We're supposed to race next weekend, but for some reason, they just canceled. So, I don't know. Maybe we'll go somewhere else. Maybe we won't. We'll see. But enough of this car. Let's go to the other street stock now. All right, guys, so here's the 40 street stock. This car actually just got back from Fairbury. I'll have a video out on that here soon. But they had a Mars race for late models and then modifieds. And then alongside of that, they had a $4,300 to win street stock event. So we took this car out there. He I think he was second in qualifying. So I think he ran a 14.9, I believe, at Fairbury, which is really, really good. But the guy that got set quick time actually set the track record. I think he went a 14.82 or 14.87. So, I mean, can't really complain about that. This car did amazing. It's never been to Fairbury. So, the car ran super, super good. Went out for the heat race. He ended up winning the heat race. So, I believe he started, I think it was 4th for the feature. He fell back to, I think it was 7th or 9th, and there was 5 laps to go, I think. And actually the leaders of the race got into each other, wrecked out. You guys will see this in the video, but wrecked out. And then it set Davey Crawley, he's the one that drives the car. It set him up to go, I think he was 4th. No, yeah, he started 4th. And I think he managed to end the race at 3rd. So, very good finish for this car. We're very happy with it. And I think we're on the right direction with this car finally. He got a feature win the other night, or a couple weeks ago at Peoria. So, that was good. This car is ready to go. We just got to wash it, basically. But, man, we're in the right direction with this thing, finally. And I just wanted to say I'm sorry for the lack of videos. I'm not lying when we say we have been so busy. I need to make more time to film, but when I'm in the moment of the stuff, I just got to work on the cars. I can't really just set it up and take a bunch of time. I got a set amount of time I can work on the car after work. So, I'll get it down, though. It's just going to take a little bit of time. But I went down to LaSalle Speedway Friday night. They had a twin 25 feature event. That was pretty cool, seeing Bobby Pierce win. And then Tyler Erb won. I helped out my buddy Craig Hughes in his street stock. So that was cool. I've never been to that track. And then last night went to Peoria Speedway. They had some sprint cars, so that was cool to see. I helped out my cousin Buddy Randall with the modified that we have. He did pretty good. He's trying to figure out the car. Got into a little bit of trouble in the heat race. Car spun out in front of him, and he hit the car, not hard, but then another car ran over his front bumper and tore the right front suspension up. But he made the feature and got her done. Yeah, we've been busy. I'll get back to filming here soon, hopefully. I'm gonna try to get this Fairbury video edited up, because it's a really good race. I enjoyed it a lot. I've never been to Fairbury before, so that was cool. But yeah, so good news is LS swapping the S10. Don't know when, but we're going to do it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.